What if I told you the richest people didn't start by chasing money at all? What if the real reason most people stay broke isn't low income, bad luck, or the economy, but because they're compounding the wrong things every single day? Here's the shocking truth most people never hear. Money compounds only after certain skills compound first. In fact, a zero bank balance with the right skills can outperform a $100,000 portfolio with the wrong habits. Today's video isn't about hustle, motivation, or get-rich-quick fantasies. It's about 7 daily skills that quietly compound faster than stocks, real estate, or even index funds. And if you stick till the end, the last one can permanently change how money flows into your life. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. Skill 1. Attention control, the real currency of the wealthy. Every dollar you earn is the result of where your attention was placed before the money arrived. The modern economy doesn't reward effort anymore. It rewards focus. Advertisers spend over $700 billion per year globally fighting for human attention because whoever controls attention controls purchasing behavior, decision-making, and long-term wealth outcomes. What successful people do instead is brutally simple but emotionally uncomfortable. They starve distractions and feed depth. They schedule thinking time the same way others schedule meetings. Even 60-90 minutes of undistracted work per day compounds into skill mastery, income leverage, and decision clarity over years. A powerful idea from a best-selling behavioral finance book explains that wealth is often built by subtraction, not addition. Removing distractions increases decision quality, and better decisions about stocks, business, or career moves compound into six-figure differences over time. Skill 2. Decision-making under uncertainty. Life doesn't wait for perfect information. Markets move, careers shift, industries collapse. Those who freeze waiting for clarity lose years of compounding. Those who act with imperfect data while managing downside risk build momentum. High performers do something different. They design decisions with asymmetrical upside. Small downside, large potential gain. This applies to investing in ETFs, starting a side business, switching industries, or building skills aligned with future demand. So ask yourself, are you waiting for certainty, or are you learning to move intelligently in uncertainty? Because wealth rarely comes from being right. It comes from being early and adaptable. Here's what changes everything. Once decision-making improves, your income no longer depends solely on effort. It starts responding to leverage, and leverage introduces the next skill. Skill 3. Leverage thinking. Build once, get paid repeatedly. What if the biggest income gap isn't talent or luck, but whether you earn by the hour or earn while you sleep? Most people stay trapped in linear effort, 1 hour, $1 because it feels safe, familiar, and respectable. But it quietly caps your net worth and turns your life into an endless grind with no equity, no scalability, and no freedom. Leverage thinking flips that script by pushing you to create assets that keep working after the work is done. Peter Thiel wrote in 0 to 1, "You are not a lottery ticket," meaning wealth isn't about hoping harder but designing smarter systems. And Tim Ferriss reminded the world in the 4-Hour Workweek that being busy is often a form of laziness in disguise. Think of it like this. A salaried job is a bucket you carry every day. Leverage is a pipeline you install once. Naval Ravikant, who openly shared how code, media, and equity let him separate income from hours, ultimately giving him location freedom, mental peace, and exponential upside. Stop asking for raises and start building leverage. Stop chasing quick wins and focus on compounding systems. And remember that effort without ownership keeps you busy, while leverage with patience builds wealth. The moment you switch from "how much can I earn today" to "what can earn for me forever" is the moment money starts working harder than you ever could. Skill 4. The skill of saying no, protecting your time like capital. If every yes is silently stealing from your future, how expensive has your politeness already become? Most people don't fail financially because they lack income. They fail because they overcommit their time, energy, and attention to things that don't grow their net worth or skills. Saying no without guilt is a wealth behavior because time is the only asset that never compounds once wasted. Every yes must justify its return on energy, learning, or long-term cash flow. If it doesn't move your portfolio, skill stack, or personal brand forward, it's not rude to decline. It's intelligent risk management. Warren Buffett, who credits much of his success to selective focus, once saying the difference between successful people and very successful people is that the latter say no to almost everything. Boundaries create freedom. Guilt is temporary. But lost time is permanent, and wealth favors those who guard their attention like capital. Compare this thought. Busy people feel important today. Disciplined people become powerful tomorrow. Skill 5. Long-term patience in a short-term world. The modern world trains impatience, fast returns, instant validation, quick results. Wealth requires the opposite temperament. Here's a fact that should reset your expectations. The majority of wealth generated in the stock market comes from staying invested during volatile periods, not from perfect timing. Compounding needs time exposed to risk, not constant optimization. Long-term thinkers delay gratification intentionally. They understand that boring consistency beats exciting inconsistency. While others chase trends, they accumulate equity, experience, and trust. Ask yourself, where are you demanding immediate results from processes that naturally require time? That impatience may be costing you millions over decades. Here's the twist. Patience doesn't mean inaction. It means disciplined repetition. And repetition leads us to a skill almost nobody respects. Skill 6. Daily self-review without self-judgment. What if one calm daily check-in could quietly outperform years of motivation and hustle? Daily self-review without self-judgment is a compounding skill because awareness improves decisions, and better decisions improve everything from income to portfolio returns. Someone who notices they overspend at night and labels themselves bad with money, versus another who simply logs the pattern and redirects that cash into ETFs or dividend stocks the next week. Same data, radically different future. Benjamin Franklin, who practiced a nightly review of his actions, not to shame himself, but to refine character and results over time, an approach that built influence, wealth, and legacy. Progress accelerates when ego steps aside, data replaces emotion, and consistency beats intensity. Compare this thought. Self-judgment drains energy instantly. Self-review multiplies returns quietly. Skill 7. Identity alignment. Becoming the person who attracts wealth. This is the most misunderstood skill and the most powerful. People chase money while holding identities that repel it. They want financial freedom but identify as someone who avoids responsibility, risk, or long-term planning. The wealthy don't just do wealthy actions. They become people who make aligned decisions naturally. Identity drives behavior more than motivation ever will. The mistake people make is forcing habits that contradict self-image. That never lasts. Sustainable change happens when identity shifts first. Instead of asking, "How do I make more money?" ask, "What would a financially intelligent version of me do today?" That question rewires behavior. Psychological research confirms that identity-based change is dramatically more durable than outcome-based goals. When identity shifts, discipline becomes unnecessary. And here's the realization that ties the entire video together. Money is a lagging indicator. Skills compound first. Identity compounds fastest. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember this. Money doesn't compound on its own. You do. You don't need more motivation. You don't need another shortcut. You need skills that compound even when life gets messy. Start with one. Practice it daily. And years from now, people will call your success luck, never realizing it was quietly compounding all along. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. If you're curious about how the rich treat every dollar, like an employee, that's exactly what I cover in the next video. See you there.